Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Introduction. The Honda CRF50F is designed as an off-road motorcycle for children and smaller riders. Offering a manageable size and user-friendly features, it has been a staple in Honda's CRF lineup, known for reliability, durability, and ease of use. Exterior design. The bike features a compact, lightweight frame, making it easy for smaller riders to control. Its design includes the signature red and white Honda CRF graphics, giving it a sporty, race-inspired look. The low seat height, 21.6 inches, allows young riders to easily reach the ground. Performance. The CRF50F is powered by a 49cc air-cooled single-cylinder four-stroke engine, offering smooth and predictable power delivery. The 3-speed transmission has an automatic clutch, which is ideal for beginners as it removes the need for a manual clutch. Its engine performance is gentle, ensuring safe learning for younger riders. Market position. The Honda CRF50F holds a solid reputation as one of the best starter bikes for young riders, often competing with other entry-level dirt bikes like the Yamaha PW50. It's seen as a long-lasting, affordable, and fun introduction to off-road riding. Safety features. The bike comes with an adjustable throttle limiter, allowing parents to control how much power the bike can deliver, ensuring safety while kids learn. Additionally, it has reliable drum brakes for adequate stopping power. Suspension and handling. With a robust suspension system, front telescopic fork and rear single shock, the bike provides a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. The small 10-inch wheels are perfect for young riders to handle, giving them a stable and controlled experience. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates and subscribe my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share.